Hello everybody, it's Grant, your friendly neighborhood InstructLab community member. It is Monday, July 15th, 11:53 a.m., getting ready to go off and take a lunch break. But I want to work on a project after lunch that is going to require an older version of InstructLab. And so I thought maybe you're in this situation now or in the future where you want to install a specific version. And I thought it might be good just to show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to open up a new terminal here. And we're going to create a new terminal. I'll make my font a little bit bigger. And we're going to go into my code directory. And then we're going to create a new directory called, let's call this 16.1. Maybe we want to install InstructLab version 16.1. So I'll go into that directory. And the first thing that you always want to do with an InstructLab is to create a Python virtual environment. So I am going to do that real quick. And then we're going to source that virtual environment. That way everything I do will be in context of that virtual environment. So let me source that. You should be familiar with this by now. And then, let's check our Python version just to double check we're on a good version, 3.11.9. Great, that's what I love. So to install a specific version of InstructLab, the current version is 17.1. Hold your hats because we may be releasing version 18 this week, but I want to go back to 16.1. So to do that, I simply do pip install InstructLab -- equals 0.16.1. Oh, could not find a version that, let's see, what did I do wrong? Oh, I misspelled InstructLab. So let's fix that to InstructLab. All right, so you can see it's going to be using a lot of cached things that I have already on my system. If it needs to compile something for the older version, it will go ahead and do that. But at the end of this, you should be able to have a previous version of InstructLab. So this is pretty phenomenal to me because maybe you're in this situation, maybe you're not. You want to use different versions of the command line tools for whatever task that you're trying to accomplish. And so this is a way you can do that inside of a virtual environment. So if I do ilab -- version, in this particular shell I'm running version 16.1. All right, another quick video, not very useful. Maybe it is if you're looking to do this, but have fun out there in the community, kids. Look forward to chatting with you in the InstructLab area.